Hi, kindergarten. What we're going to do today is we're going to start mixing primary colors to make secondary colors, but we're going to put them on a pumpkin. What we're going to use today is a construction paper crayon and a white piece of paper, and I'm going to make sure my white piece of paper is going horizontally. And you can pause the video anytime if you need to wait to catch up. In the middle of my piece of paper, I'm going to draw a pretty big oval that almost touches the top and almost touches the bottom. And it doesn't matter what color crayon you use. After you draw your oval, you're going to draw a big bump on the right and another big bump on the right. When you're done, you're going to draw a big bump on the left and another big bump on the left. Don't forget the stem. Now our pumpkin isn't going to be floating in air, so we need to draw a little line on this side and a little line on this side for the sky and the earth. And what we're going to do is start making secondary colors using the big markers. Now we're not going to color like we usually do. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're only going to be using yellow, red, and blue, and we're going to make dots. We're not going to color lines, we're going to make dots. In the sky, we're going to make purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with red, and I'm going to make different dots in the sky. You don't want small dots. You don't want big dots. You want to use medium dots. When you're done, you're going to switch to blue. And then you're going to put blue dots on top of red dots. But not right on top. You're going to put them next to the red dots. And when the blue dots go on top of the red dots, they make purple. Now I'm ready for the pumpkin part. So what I'm going to do is the same thing. I'm going to start with red dots. And I'm only going to do part of my pumpkin, so you don't have to sit and watch the whole thing. But I'm going to do one side of my pumpkin. Uh-oh, my dots touch. Is that okay? Yeah, that's fine. When I'm finished filling in the whole thing, I'm going to switch to yellow. And then I'm going to make yellow dots that bump into the red dots. And that's going to make orange. Finally, I'm going to do the ground and the stem. But this time I'm going to start with blue dots. Now in the stem I will make some small dots. But at the bottom I'm going to make medium dots. And again, I'm not going to do the whole ground because I don't want you to sit and watch the whole thing. That'd be boring. But I do want to show you what happens when I start adding yellow. You might still have some orange from the pumpkin, but when you start making your dots and they overlap with blue, you're going to start getting green. But you're going to fill the whole bottom just like I did with the sky. Oh, I forgot the stem. So we're going to experiment and use primary colors to make our secondary colors.